John the plumber's in deep thought on what?
Is that smoke? No.
I see.
Yeah. Stick around. Take a picture. Well, the cap's on order.
This is the Friday afternoon. We don't do nighttime anymore because we all gotten too old to drive in the dark.
Post office. I think I ordered it Friday as soon as I got home.
Yeah.
He got there till late Monday night, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Get it filled up?
Yeah, it's filled up.
It is,
but
good.
I still need a cap. You wouldn't happen to have a cap around we could just put on there?
Yeah, that one's.
I want to test it in the tank.
Places have.
It's ready to test in the tank.
You were going to get a cap for it.
It's in the mail.
Aha. You can put a piece. You can
Grabbed
take.
his heels.
So what would you do if you were in your boat and stuck and your cap fell off and you had a busted a shear pin? What would you do, Steve?
I ordered 2 caps.
Well, yeah, but you're out in the ocean now. You can't order it.
Duct tape.
There you go. Take some tape and wrap it around and hold the shear pin that way.
Work.
Sure. Why not?
It's the force of driving the propeller onto the.
We're not going to run it forever.
Oh, you don't even need the propeller on.
Oh, really?
Fantastic.
Yeah, you're right.
And this is a psychology motor right here. What does it have to say for itself?
Okay, now where's the
Huh?
You know how many psychologists it takes to restore an antique outboard?
I have no idea. I haven't thought about that one. I know how many it takes to screw in a light bulb.
How many?
1 to screw in the light bulb and 6 to observe it.
No, 1, but it has to. The joke is, how many psychologists?
It takes 2.
So this is looking pretty good, I think.
Yeah? You think it's looking good? You think it's going to run?
I do.
Yeah, okay, good.
I do think it's going to run.
It's good to
I
have.
have not had one that didn't run yet.
All right.
So, I mean, you never know. This is an untested motor.
So what's this guy doing here? He looks very engaged.
I need duct tape just to hold that.
Do you fix airplanes for a living?
I've never fixed anything. I've only repaired.
I see. I
Fix
see.
is permanent. Repair will get you off the ground.
All right, so
Yes.
again, this has US and other stuff on
White
it.
top, 57. All, okay. The 56
So what do you think, Matt?
does not have one of these. It has a decal.
I'm thinking it's almost time to go.
57 has these with 2 screws. 58 has 3 screws. And the 58 is white sides.
Okay. Okay, so this is a 57. He put 56 on it.
Steve, you can't run that motor. It's only January. We don't run motors in January. Job's done. That motor
I just didn't know anything about Firestones.
I think it was 60.
So you're all through with this one because your lower unit's going. Now you're doing back on the Mark V.
That's right. Completely torn apart.
I
So
have one of those 16s.
the question is, how do you get this new bearing? There's a Mercury tool.
The same thing.
Yes.
I even brought the directions.
Yeah. Look it up.
It is a
Automatic thing.
needle bearing mandrel on the end of the bearing installation.
Well, all right, fine. You're good.
Bad enough.
Look up the parts and make sure they go back where they came from, okay? And I'll help you find what you need.
That could go in the floor. So that must have been, that's right. And Gary knew I had that motor. He was trying to get. This hose will work today.
Yeah, easier than swapping them. You still
I've
got
got a piece of hose.
still got to go because you can just swap the hose.
Yeah, but I could.
Any more words of wisdom, Steve?
But I got to cut the clamp off.
I see. All right.
So, to swap.
He was overly confident,
I see.
and he used permanent clamps.
Hey, you know,
Well,
it's a nice appearing
yes.
job,
Oh.
even though it's wrong.
Yeah.
See?
It's okay. It's a Scott Atwater,
That's
so
right.
what
It
else
doesn't
is
really
expected?
matter.
Right, it doesn't matter.
Probably wouldn't have pumped
Right,
water
right,
anyway.
right, exactly.
I saved it by not running it.
Right.
You see this? You think that they would use the same sediment bowl that half the other industries, the Johnsons. You see how shallow that is?
How you coming on this?
I'm getting there, slow but sure.
All right.
I'm not a big fan of this wire pull cord.
No, nobody is. But it works.
It's close.
Does that guy know what he's doing?
I think he does.
Do you heat it up? You got the screw, it'll go in there?
Take a look in there, see if you can see it.
I don't know, I can see it.
Look like it's gonna go in there?
In the fall or not at all.
All right, see if it'll go in.
Take it up all together.
If not, we'll drill it and tap it.
I see. We will? Yes.
No,
No?
try to get a new pull cord in.
Ah,
Rubber pull cord.
I see. All right.
I'm just amazed that this motor was so, do you think somebody rebuilt the outside because it's so corroded on
Yeah.
No, not like Rick.
Who sold you this? Because I think he
Cleve,
gave you.
I traded him.
I think you got a bump deal
I bought a 10 Johnson at the
Yeah, and you tried.
drive-in.
I know. I took it down and swapped them.
And I
To turn out to start them and then.
So, David Kelly, this is a new acquisition for you?
Oh, no, I got this when I was in high school.
You did?
Yeah.
Brand
Yeah.
new.
Brand new. It looks old.
Want to see it run?
You that old? Yeah, I do want to see it run. Does it run?
It did run.
It did? You sure?
I saw it.
With a smile on your face, I'm not sure. You're grinning like it didn't run.
No, no. You know, I don't mess around. I don't make up stories about Johnson's.
Okay. What do you think, Mr. Salesman?
I like it. Fine. Running good.
So how's this coming along? A little stiff? What are you doing?
All I did was just.
What are you doing here, David? You're shimming a lower unit?
Yes.
All right.
So how do you know if it's
Okay.
shimmed right?
All right. Push this, and you get that blinking, it means it's recording.
All right.
Okay, so what we've done here is we don't have any top shims. So what we're trying to figure out is how to shim a lower unit. And first thing, if you look in here, David, see these notches, this notch right here?
Yeah.
That little flat? Well, that wants to be, typically, wants to be where your gear should be hitting right about at the top of that notch out. And it looks pretty good, actually.
They should
You
be
always
very.
want to pull up on the shaft, because these want to throw up, okay? This straight cut gears like to move away from each other. Now we actually should be binding.